Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is B2, all the way from BW, Botswana, Africa. Hey guys, I just want to explain my trading setups for today. I just had a little session during the London session. So this is basically what is happening whenever I'm trading. The first thing that comes to my mind is to check the market analysis, to check if there is three bull news. Like when I see the three dots like this one in the inflation rate, I don't trade. So normally I trade when there is one dot or when there is nothing at all. So first thing I check this, but I check that in investing.com to check the fundamentals. Then after that, I open my chart. The one that I would prefer, the one that I see there is a trend. And then I draw my support and resistance lines. Yeah, man. So this is my first trade of the day. I want to explain what happened. As you can see, when I was trading, this was like a mini downtrend. It was a mini downtrend. Minor trend going down. As you can see, there's a strong push to the down. Strong push to the down. And then we had this candle sort of a shooting star. It looks like a shooting star. And then I knew that mostly there will be a correction. We call this a correction. This is an impulse move, then a correction. Impulse move, correction. So then I saw this bullish candles. This was not a sign of reversal. This was just a retracement. And then this was a confirmation as there was weakness in the buyers. Then I placed a sell. You can see this was a strong sell. I won. This was my first trade. This was my first trade. And then my second trade, I realized, remember, my first trade is this one. I won this, and then there was reversal. The market went up. This is a strong bullish pressure from the support. Another hammer, a hammer, sign of strong bias from the support. And then I realized that this was some kind of a level, but at this point, there is no level that I can go with the sellers. Yes, the sellers are at this point. The strong sellers are at this point. So from here, it was a late entry, but I went with the buyers. Buy. We won the second trade. Our third trade, my psychology in this. Remember, this is the same pair. On the same pair, we went up. This was a win. My second trade. Then I observed the market bullish. Then the retracement. Then I saw this strong candle. This strong candle. This was a very strong candle. The buyer's trend. And then I realized that where the candle closed, there was no weak rejection, but it was at a resistance level. Remember, this is a resistance level because previously it was a support. Now this is a resistance level. Remember, the market reversed at this point at some point. So I realized that, remember, a strong candle is a sign of reversal, but my confirmation mostly comes with an SNR level. So I saw that level. Then I placed a sell. Then as you can see, it was a win. Let's go to our fourth trade. The market went up. Then now it hit. As you can see, this is a previous resistance. It's a strong resistance. The market came closer to the resistance and then it went down. So when I came to the market, I realized that the market reversed from this point. I saw a strong sellers from this candle, and then this is a confirmation again, strong sellers. There was no sign of weakness in the sellers, so I wouldn't go against the sellers. I can't buy at this point because the sellers are so strong. So I followed the trend. I placed my lower option. Then we won the trade, the fourth trade in a row. And then this one, The market was going down, strong sellers in the market. And then what happened? The market closed with this doji candle. I saw this doji candle, and then I didn't just place a higher option. What happened is that after I saw this doji candle, I then went to the previous history. I realized that previously at this level, there was a strong buyer's entry. You see this candle, this was a sign of strong buyers in the market. So because I saw the doji candle, and plus the support from the buyers, then I thought like, there's weakness in the seller, so the buyers might try to go up. So I placed my higher option, then I won the trade. That was my 5th trade, and this is my 6th trade. What really happened here? Can't remember. Can't remember this trade, but I think in this trade the market was going up, and then guys, let me not lie, I can't remember this trade. I can't remember what happened, but I think I placed the higher option with the belief that, I believe that they still, I remember. What happened here is that I saw this resistance level. This was a resistance level. Previously, the market reversed from this point. And then what happened is that I observed that this is a strong push from the buyers. This candle was a strong push with a weakness, a weak in fact. And then I saw the sellers entered weakly. And then because the market now is the buyers, then I was like, you know what, the market will reverse at this point because of this resistance. I saw this resistance. So now I was like, there's still a gap in the market. There's still a gap for the buyers to continue. So I placed buy, and then it went up just like that, guys. Then this is my last trade of the day. This one was so simple. Also, I saw that there's strong sellers entry, and then there was no reason for me to go with the buyers because I can see this is a resistance, and the sellers entered strongly. So at least for 2 or 3 minutes, the seller has to go strongly because previously this was a strong sellers entry. You can see previously sellers entered so strongly. So I just supported the trend. I went down. That is how I placed my trades. Remember, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades in a row without a loss. Patience is key. That is that, guys. From your boy B2, those are the trades I placed today. That's how I placed those trades. That's how I analyze the market every time I get in the markets. So the most important thing, guys, is consistency. Try to be patient and be consistent. Making money in IQ option is simple, but the issue is how can you do that consistently for the next coming 3 months or the whole year? So let us be consistent and do this repeatedly. It's a boy B2. It's a buy for me. Thank you. Peace out.